Hearty welcome to all knowledge seekers to my channel. This is Dr. Madhusudan Rao Kadapa. In this video, I am going to explain about the most important principle of management as proposed by Henry Fayol. Among the 14 principles of management, this is very important because this principle is twofold, that is from employee perspective as well as the management's perspective. Now the principle is stability of tenure of personnel. So in any organization, the stability of tenure of a personnel working is a measure how long an average employee is working or serving for any organization. It depends on so many factors. Number one is remuneration. The remuneration should be fair and should be paid in time in order to meet the requirements of the employees. And secondly, the working conditions. From ergonomic point of view, their chair and the posture in which they have to work, lighting, ventilation, and other facilities. Then chances for growth. Every employee who is working in any organization will have some aspiration that he may grow to higher levels. So the organization must provide a chance for the employee to grow to higher levels. If there is a chance, definitely an employee will work for a longer tenure. If he feels that there is no such chance, definitely he will think of switching over to some other organization. And then the job security. Job security is very important factor for all the employees working in any kind of organization. Unless the employee feels that his job is secured and he is safe and he can work for a longer time in that organization, he may not contribute effectively. And then safety at work. All the safety measures should be adopted, and the organization must ensure the safety of the employee for his life as well. And other factors like incentives, bonuses, and any other rewards like that. So these are all the factors which are very important in order to ensure stability of employees in any organization. Now coming to the employee's perspective, why an employee will think of switching over to some other organization. So whenever he feels that he has a scope for development in other organization than the current organization, or whenever there is a wide difference in salary or some other benefits and scope for growth. So these are all the factors which may tempt employee to switch over from one organization to the other organization. Of course, we can observe nowadays the people, because of their personal reasons or maybe family or some other reasons, in unavoidable conditions they may change from one organization to the other organization. But naturally, the length of tenure which an employee spends or works in any organization depends on these factors, however. So from management's point of view, the organization should take care of the remunerations, job security, job safety, working environment, and other facilities for the employees and their family members, education to their children, and so many other factors to retain the employees. Now coming to the stability of tenure from employee's point of view, it indicates the loyalty of employee, because an employee who is loyal towards an organization who worked over a long period of time, he may sustain even if the company is in tough times. He will be with the company because he has got some kind of loyalty, and this will indicate the stability of employee, how long he's worked, and the dependability as well. So what happens if the stability of tenure of personnel in organizations is less? It indicates that the organization has failed in some aspects to retain the employees, which may lead to more labor turnover ratio. As a result, every time whenever a new person is entering into the organization at different positions, it may require some time for the new employee to settle in his position. Sometimes it may require training for them. And all these things will somewhat suboptimize the organizational performance as a whole. So stability of tenure of personnel is not only important from employee point of view, but also from organizational point of view. So an employee who is working over a long period of time in any organization indicates that he is more loyal towards the organization, and he is more stable, and he gains more knowledge on the processes, because over a long period of time he might have come across different kinds of situations and might have faced different types of problems. So all these experiences will be very much useful for the organization. If you continuously change the employees, especially in key positions, definitely every time for every changeover, it takes longer time for the new persons to settle and to optimize the performance of the process. So stability of tenure of personnel is very important, both from employee perspective as well as from organizational perspective. Thank you very much. In some other video, I will come back with some other interesting concepts in management. Thank you.